There are many Wood Router products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best wood routers from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. 2Win Router Tool. Rating 4.4. The handheld router with input power 800W, 30,000 revolutions per minute speed, and router tool motor delivers abundant power for routing and trimming applications. This compact wood router comes with a wooden index case for easy storage and organization. Perfect for edging, trimming, veining, and grooving in all woodworking projects for both professional carpenters and hobbyists. The wood trimmer is made with high-quality aluminum and plastic. Transparent base of the router for woodworking is good for a clear view of the trimming edge and is easy to operate. Also, the straight guides are stable and not deformed. With the lift knob, the scale can be adjusted as you want. This compact router is widely used in wood processing, cabinet processing, handicraft production, plastic sheeting, wood veneer, and other similar materials, such as chamfering, grooving, surface finishing, curve cutting, planing wood edge, pattern processing, and DIY. Number 4. Dobetter Router Tool. Rating 4.4. 6.5 amp motor with max horsepower of 1.25 delivers abundant power for a variety of routing and trimming applications. 6 variable speed, 10,000 to 32,000 revolutions per minute for different materials. Quick release can lock system for easy depth adjustments and base removal/installation. Great function. Soft starting and constant power prevent this palm router from jumping around in your hand, giving you much better control. Easy operation. Smooth rack and pinion depth adjustment system for more precision cutting. Graduated in both clear inch and depth scales. Easy to read. Rich combinations. Come with router tool, 12 wood router bits, portable bag, edge guide, roller guide, dust hood, wrenches, H and carbon brushes, making your job easier. Number 3. Tino Wood Router. Rating 4.4. The 800W palm router motor provides ample power for a variety of routing and edging applications. The wood router motor provides 31,000 revolutions per minute to process wood. High accuracy. The compact router can be used in workshop environments. The transparent cover controls flying sawdust and gives you a clear view of the processing conditions. Transparent base design allows easy identification of precision during processing. Router woodworking is widely used in woodworking, cabinet processing, handicraft production, chamfering, grooving, surface finishing, curve cutting, planing wood edges, pattern processing, and other operations of veneer and other similar materials. It can also be used for DIY. The sturdy base keeps this compact router tool stable when you are using the hand router for woodworking. The rubber-covered clear base is comfortable to hold and provides excellent grip and control. Depth can be adjusted with the depth adjustment knob without tools. Number 2. Avid Power Wood Router. Rating 4.6. With a 630W 5.3 amp motor, this trim router provides sufficient power and smooth operation for woodworking projects with no excessive vibration. The air vent prevents overheating and motor burnout during prolonged use. Replacement brushes for extended lifespan and consistent performance over time. High speed and 3 guide modes for efficient woodworking. 35,000 revolutions per minute allows users to finish work pieces efficiently, with straight guide and roller guide included, suitable for intricate, detailed cutting, routing, slotting, grooving, and trimming door hinges, etc. This hand router features a smooth depth adjustment system for precise height setting. Secure fixed base ensures stable fine positioning for intricate cuts during routing. Easy to install. Palm router includes 1/4 collet and 5 PCS 1/4 shank router bits, edge and roller router guide. It's easy to change the router bit with 2 wrenches. Number 1. Bosch Wood Router. Rating 4.7. PR20 EVS Colt Palm Router features a 1.0 horsepower 5.6 amp variable speed motor with speeds from 16,000 to 35,000 revolutions per minute. Provides a straight edge guide to lead router along edges of workpiece or up to 3 5/8 inch from edge. The wood router also features an angled cord exit to keep the cord out of the way when working. The rugged aluminum fixed base of the wood router is durable, solid, and precise. The PR20 EVS features unique finger support pockets for additional stability, especially when trimming edges. The fast and precise depth adjustment system allows both macro and micro adjustment, while the quick clamp system allows motor to be easily adjusted or moved from base to base. The PR20 EVS provides enhanced bit capacity with a fixed base that accepts bits up to 1 5/16 inch in diameter. The versatile bit changing system allows for fast, easy bit changes using 2 wrenches or a spindle lock and 1 wrench. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.